Hi, I'm Todd with Tom and Jerry's Boat Center, and today we're going to be walking around a 1750 Fishhawk we have in stock here from Crestliner. It's a great little boat, perfect for the lakes and rivers around here. You can also take it out on protected waters in the ocean, but it's designed for lakes and rivers for sure. Great little fishing boat. Comes with a bunch of great features. Up here at the bow we have these flip-up stainless steel cleats, which are a nice feature to have there. You can flip it down and out of the way so it's not catching on anything. Up here at the bow, we also have a mount for a Minn Kota trolling motor up here, which is all pre-wired and ready to go. It's got the iPilot link in there, all ready to go for you, as well as a little recirculating bait well right here. So when you're fishing up at the bow here, you have the ability to keep your bait alive and fresh, also any catch you may have up there. And then we do have a position for a pedestal seat up here as well. So you can have your different pedestal seat locations. You can have one at the stern or up here at the bow. Got a ton of great storage options up here at the bow. Okay, so we have a bait well here. We also have a live well back there, conveniently located. So when you're sitting up here at the pedestal seat, you have access to the live well directly next to you, as well as plenty of storage for tackle or any gear that you have on the boat. It's a really nice bow setup. So moving to the rear of the boat here, down to the stern, we have the full enclosure package on this boat. And we obviously don't have the side windows up, but it does come with these side windows, so you can completely enclose it as if it were a cabin boat. And keep you out of the elements, out of the weather, a little drier, a little more comfortable in your fishing. Got another stainless steel flip-up cleat back here. Again, it's nice to be able to stow that away. You're not catching your gear or fishing lines or anything on that. And then we do have a pedestal seat location here at the stern as well. You know, you have the ability to have a pedestal seat here or up there at the bow, and that really is a nice feature. That way you're able to fish any location. You know, you can troll from back here and get into tight spots up at the bow there and have the ability to really fish from any angle. And then we have this Mercury Pro XS 150 on the back here. It's got plenty of power for this 17-foot boat to push it right along, get you up on step, and get you to the fishing hole as fast as possible. It's got a nice 3-blade aluminum prop on the back. And then here we have the swim step that we have on this boat. And it's got a really nice telescoping ladder on the back of it here, to where that comes out and then stows away really nicely to where it's not getting in the way when you're underway. So moving inside the boat here, I want to point out some great features this boat comes with. So it does have another live well back here. So again, when you're fishing from the stern here, you have the ability to have access to the live well right directly beside you. And that's a really nice feature to keep your catch fresh there. Not have to run back and forth from the back to the front of the boat. And then right to the sides of them, we have these awesome little jump seats. Those are going to be cushioned jump seats built into the transom, and just gives you a lot more seating options. Keep the family and friends happy. Got other great seating options here. We obviously have the captain and co-captain's chairs. And then this removable pedestal seat, so you can have a couple different locations here at the bow and stern. It comes with stainless steel compression latches as a part of the environmental package, which also has a wood-free transom there at the back. It's going to come with a composite material as opposed to any wood in the transom. And then it has things like this washdown system here. It's got a washdown connection. Keep the blood and guts off your boat when you're fishing. Okay, so on the dash, we have a steering wheel here that can tilt, which is also a great feature. It tilts up and down, nice and comfortable ergonomics. Then we have these digital gauges here. One's a tachometer, and this one's a speedometer. And then you have the ability to check your hours and a couple different options here. You can adjust your trolling speed, so you can use this main engine as a trolling engine, which is a nice feature to have. And then down here we have our on and off start key switch. We've got our master power rocker switches, and then these are all your accessory switches here. Your nav lights, your bilge pumps, live well control, courtesy lights and horns and so on. Another feature this boat has is hydraulic steering, which is a must-have for being out there in the waves and the chop. It gives you the ability to turn this engine really easily, nice and smoothly. And then this boat is featured with a Lowrance GPS and sonar unit as well. That comes priced out with the boat. So not only do you get the hydraulic steering, you get a nice Lowrance. Tons of room for rod storage. It goes all the way up into the bow of the boat. And then this center compartment here is where they have the battery bank for that trolling motor. So if you're having a Minn Kota trolling motor mounted there, that's where you'd have your batteries. And we also have a battery charger that's wired up in there already. So you don't have to worry about buying the battery charger and getting all wired. It's already pre-wired and ready to go, ready to get out there and fish.